Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually download and install the .NET Framework 3.5 on a Windows 10 computer without using a CD, a DVD, ISO, or a USB. So first of all, I'm going to show you where this is at. So if you go to Add Remove, which is Add or Remove Programs in the System Settings, if you're on a newer Windows 10, you may not see the full thing, so I need you to go up here where it say Related Settings and click Programs and Feature. It's going to take you to the kind of the old school view. Then you're going to click on Turn On or Off Features. And as you can see here, I already have .NET Framework 3.5, right? But I'm just going to go ahead and turn them off, both of these. If you have it turned off before you can install the new stuff correctly. All right, once the changes have been made, what we're going to do is actually open up a new internet browser and we're going to download the .NET Framework that I'm telling you you want to do. So I'm just going to go to Google. You can use any browser you want. I want you to type in .NET Framework 3.5. We're looking for Microsoft results when it comes to it, and we're looking to download it. So we'll just type in .NET Framework 3.5 download. Make sure you're going to the official Microsoft website because that can be trusted. So English, of course, you select your language that's best for you and click download, and basically it's going to start the process of give you the .NET Framework. You can just click on it here and you're going to just select download and install, and we're going to let it do its thing. All right, once the .NET Framework is officially installed, I recommend, just to be safer, starting your computer and you will be all set. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.